Hi friends, welcome back. It is Saturday morning and I'm so excited today because it is finally something different that we are actually going to do today. So nothing crazy, we are just going on a basic drive to see fall colors. We have no clue if the peak has passed, but we'll go and see together, right? So I want you all to come along with me. I would love that. But before that, we need to prep things, right? So whenever we think of a road trip, first thing is what was on my list is camera for pictures, and what else? Food. Definitely food, right? Keep everyone fed and to keep everyone happy and filled up. And the daddy's job is to drive. So that time we will all enjoy together looking at the scenery and all. But now we have to get things started. First, camera. So getting the battery charged is first checklist. My camera, all the items will be basically in this drawer. So I know there are a lot of confusing things here. One is already getting charged. Okay, this is done. I just plugged it in and it's done. I think it was completely charged before itself. Okay, so I think this is going on. It's really hard, right, when different cameras have different ways of telling if it is charged or not. So I think anyway that is charging. But now let's get started with the food, right? So food, breakfast or lunch? What should we do first? I'm thinking breakfast. Anyway, kids are sleeping. Everyone is sleeping. I'm the only one awake, and that is why it's so silent, very calm. But breakfast we'll do when they wake up. Right now we'll start getting the lunch box packed. I'll show you the lunch box. I just got it yesterday. I haven't even opened it. So you'll see a lunchbox opening today, like lunchbox unboxing. It's not a full-fledged lunch we are making today. It's just a, what do you say, a filling snack to pack. Because anyway we'll have breakfast and go, right? So anyway we'll all be not wanting a big lunch, and it's difficult also. I don't know whether we'll get a space to sit. If it's not crowded, we'll try to see, but otherwise we'll have it in the car itself. So something which we all can have and enjoy. That's what, something little special than what we usually prepare, and not like rice items or anything, which is kind of messy in the car if kids are having it, right? So let's do the unboxing. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video or anything. I'm just unboxing now, so that is why I'm doing it in front of the camera. Okay, I will let the kids do it. Why am I taking so much effort when I can do it so easily, right? We all take some unnecessary efforts sometimes. Oh my god, what is this? God. Oh wow, look at that. That's nice. No, when the spoons are dirty, we can keep it back in this. That's really nice, this case. Never expected that these would be spoons. I wanted something that we can use for packing everyone's lunch together. My favorite color. This is nice. If in case I can pass on these containers for the kids in the car itself. Beautiful and all, but we need to fill this up. Only then it's useful, right? So let's get doing that. We're getting ready with the tamarind chutney first. So I have 1/4 cup of tamarind, about 1/4 cup of jaggery, and about 1/4 cup of dates. So let's add all together into the instant pot. And we need 1 cup of water. Red chilli powder also we'll add, and then we will pressure cook for 9 minutes. For that I will take about 1.5 cups of these frozen green peas and boil it. Okay, now for that I am taking 1.5 cups of atta here and salt. Then we'll make the dough. Some butter. That's about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, just crumble it and mix onto the flour. And adding little water will make the dough. So that is ready. Let's start making the filling now. So now we'll start mashing this up. I think I'll probably grind it a little coarsely in the blender itself. Just one blend. So for the filling, I'm actually roasting some 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds there. And then we'll add in the coarse mixture that we have prepared and cook it. Then I'm adding some besan. It's about 1/4 cup there, and we'll add little bit of jaggery here just for a little bit of sweetness. It's about 1 teaspoon. We didn't add salt, right? So let's add that. Mix it. And at the end, we'll add the half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon amchur powder, a little bit of chilli powder. Mix it up and then quickly switch off the flame. Now everything that we want to prepare today, half work is done for all of that. So breakfast I didn't show you, right? Yesterday I had soaked these dals together so that I can make quick breakfast. So this doesn't need fermentation. Just overnight soaking is enough, or at least 5 to 6 hours. 2/3 cup of urad dal and 1/3 cup each of masoor dal, chana dal and split moong dal. That's it. So all these things I just soaked, and I'll quickly grind it, and then we can prepare the dosa for it. It's very easy to prepare, right? Nowadays fermentation and then grinding and all that, it'll take a lot of time. So this, since it was a quick plan, I thought I'll make this breakfast. So this is half done breakfast. Lunch also, the filling is done, the dough is done, and the tamarind chutney, right? Let's have a look on that. Just strain it. So the water content, no, it's little high, so I'm heating it up. I can have tamarind any time of the day. We'll add in the salt, and this is some roasted cumin, coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon each. And let's start preparing the, what is that, kachoris? Yeah. And I have preheated this air fryer at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Flatten it again. Some sesame seed on top, and brush a little bit of oil. Chop the apples, add in the lemon juice. Here about half cup of pecans and half cup of raisins. And then at the end we'll add about 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. We'll add about 2 cups of yogurt, a teaspoon of flaxseed powder, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and then 4 of these oranges.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Okay.
From up here, the world seems small.
It's really good, except there's like a little bit, I don't know, maybe some orange little pieces.
Thing?
Yes,
Small
skin.
fiber?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is not the skin, it's the fiber.
Okay.
So is that okay, or you want to strain it like
That's okay.
this? Huh?
That's okay.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Because then if you strain it, you will get very little.
Oh my gosh.
What do you want?
Do not strain it.
Not strain it.
Hello. Hi. I'm baby.
Cutie pie. Okay, so we are ready to go. What are you excited about?
Hug my baby. I'm excited to see the trees, and because it's not really late fall, so we can't really see any trees that's turning here. So I'm excited to see them.
Wow. Do we actually have to drive and see somewhere else? So beautiful. Okay, I am moving in here actually.
Okay. Mama, yeah, mommy, yeah.
So I'm gonna be here for a little bit
Yep.
because we gotta Skype.
Yeah. Every Saturday we Skype with our grandma and grandpa and our cousins.
Yeah. So Saturdays it's my part of the family, and on Sundays it's my in-laws side. So we are gonna be doing, we don't want to be missing that. So let's start.
Yep.
It's not like this. I could sit a little more. Did you move in this side?
I don't think so.
Why is there a lot of space on that side? Look good. Why is there so much space? Okay, show me the book that you got.
Okay, so I got The Secret 7. I have 15 books. It's a series, but there's actually 16 books in the whole one.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yep, and this is...
Okay, wait one second.
My grandma gave this to me. It's The Kid Who Came From Space.
Okay.
It's a really thick book.
Yeah.
It's like Percy Jackson.
Yeah.
No!
Okay, so we are just walking on this bridge. We have our friends with us right there. I guess the leaves are almost fallen off, but we're just enjoying this weather. Thankfully the weather is good, right?
Yeah, weather is good
Yeah.
and less people also.
Yeah. So all
weather is
good?
good.
Yeah.
Can you take a photo of it?
Yeah. Wow. It's so beautiful.
Two mushrooms. Yeah. Can I have one? Thanks. I want this mushroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a berry. That's what I was saying. Yeah, I think I have that in the community. We have that in the community.
What is it?
Oh. Yeah, you want to taste it?
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, picture time.
Just
So right now we went all the way down. It's like a trail, and then kind of we're all tired, and we are yet to have our lunch because of this energy that this picture landscape and all is giving us. We're just walking, but yes, we're all tired. Enjoy the time.
Yeah, going. It's really fun. Like, I never knew it was a trail, but it is a trail.
Yeah, and everyone was actually extremely hungry. We are done with everything. We got a lot of pictures, I guess. We have to go home and see how it looks like. Thank you so much for coming along with us. With this, we are ending this video, and I hope to see you all next time. Take care and bye-bye.